तुम कौन हो?
भांडिया।
तुम जीतू के कौन हो?
मैं मरे हुए जीतू का लंगोटिया यार हूँ। एक बात बताओ, ये मरा हुआ जीतू दिखता कैसा है?
हाय, यो फुल बोकेर कहाँ गएको? आज एन्भाइरोमेन्ट डे हो, त्यही भएर चाहिँ हामी एन्भाइरोमेन्ट डे मनाउनुको लागि फुल रोप्नु गएको। के
It is not only celebrated by planting saplings or trees, it is also celebrated by keeping our surrounding clean.
हाय, यो फुल बोकेर कहाँ गएको? आज एन्भाइरोमेन्ट डे हो, त्यही भएर चाहिँ हामी एन्भाइरोमेन्ट डे मनाउनुको लागि फुल रोप्नु गएको। इन्भाइरोमेन्ट डे भनेको चाहिँ हामी जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो सराउन्डिङ्समा देख्छौँ, जो कि हामीलाई नेचरले प्रोभाइड गर्छ, जस्तो हाम्रो ट्रिज, पेड पौधाहरू, त्यही इन्भाइरोमेन्ट हो। इन्भाइरोमेन्ट डे चाहिँ कहिले सेलिब्रेट गर्छ? इन्भाइरोमेन्ट डे 1973 देखि सेलिब्रेट गर्न स्टार्ट भएको हो। इन्भाइरोमेन्ट डे किन हाम्रो अर्थको लागि इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो? इन्भाइरोमेन्ट डे हाम्रो अर्थको लागि यति इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो किनकि त्यसले हामीलाई अक्सिजन प्रोभाइड गर्छ। अनि आजकल हामी म्याक्सिमम अमाउन्ट अफ ट्रिज काट्दैछौँ, अनि त्यसले गर्दा हाम्रो डेन्जर, हाम्रो लाइफमा डेन्जर अनि अर्थलाई पनि डेन्जर हुँदैछ। अनि त्यही लागि हामी सबैले म उनीहरूको सबैबाट भन्दैछु कि प्लास्टिकहरू यताउता हेर एन्ड देयर नफ्याँक्नु, अनि ट्रिजहरूलाई पनि ज्यादा अमाउन्टमा नकाट्नु। सेभ ट्री सेभ लाइफ। थ्याङ्क यू।
ए बांडिया,
मुझे नहीं पता था मैं इतना खूबसूरत लगता हूँ। क्या बोलती है तू?
अबे चुप, हमने तुझे तेरी खूबसूरती देखने के लिए नहीं बुलाया। इधर बैग नीचे रख, और जो बताया समझ गया ना?
हाँ समझ गया।
क्या समझा?
बैग नीचे रखने का।
एक मारूंगी तुझे, कोई मजाक नहीं चल रहा है, बहुत जिम्मेदारी का काम है।
कौन सा? बैग नीचे रखने का।
अब चलो बताओ, सबसे पहले तुम क्या करोगे?
अरे सबसे पहले उस गांव की बस पर चढ़ूंगा, कंडक्टर को 100 की पत्ती दूंगा, 92 रुपए का टिकट खरीदूंगा, फिर बाकी चुट्टा वापस लूंगा।
ओफो, फिर?
अरे फिर बस स्टॉप पे उतरूंगा और उतरते ही पूछ लूंगा जावेद प्रसाद का घर कहाँ है।
जावेद प्रसाद नहीं, जयवेद प्रसाद।
बस ठीक ठीक, बाकी काम तो मैं यूं चुटकी में कर डालूंगा।
वो कैसे?
मैंने सब कुछ एक पर्ची में लिख के ऐसे जेब में रख लिया है।
हाँ, वो मास्टर जी के बेटे का नाम क्या है?
मरा हुआ जीतू।
अरे मरा हुआ बोलने की कोई जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ जीतू बोलो काफी है।
काफी है तो ठीक है।
तुम कौन हो?
भांडिया।
तुम जीतू के कौन हो?
मैं मरे हुए जीतू का लंगोटिया यार हूँ। एक बात बताओ, ये मरा हुआ जीतू दिखता कैसा है?
क्यों, तुम्हें क्या?
नहीं क्या है ना, अगर वो रास्ते में कहीं मिल जाए तो बैग वहीं पकड़ा दूंगा। इतनी दूर जाने की क्या जरूरत है?
अरे तुम जाते हो या नहीं?
ठीक है जाता हूँ।
अरे बैग तो लेते जाओ।
ओहो, ये बैग भी इतनी भुलक्कड़ है, जहाँ रखता हूँ वहीं बैठ जाती। चल ठीक है।
इन्भाइरोमेन्ट डे होइन, अन्त आज चाहिँ हामीले इन्भाइरोमेन्ट डेको बिहाफमा चाहिँ लाइक अब कम्पिटिसन जस्तै नानीहरूलाई चाहिँ अब स्पिच हुन्छ कि एक्ट हुन्छ कि ड्रइङ्स आर्ट्स हुन्छ कि त्यस्तोमा चाहिँ नानीहरूलाई अब लिएर आउनु भनेको थियो। सो सबै नानीहरूले एकदमै राम्रो गरेको थियो। सब लाइक हाउस कम्पिटिसन थियो। यो चाहिँ हाम्रो ड्रिमवर्क्स डान्सको चाहिँ 4वटा हाउसमा डिभाइड भएको छ, डार्विन, न्युटन, एड्सन अन्त आइन्स्टाइन हाउस। सो नानीहरूले चाहिँ एकदमै दामी गरेको छ होइन। सो अब यो 4वटा हाउसबाट चाहिँ एउटा बेस्ट हाउसलाई चाहिँ हामीले गिफ्ट दिने भनेर चाहिँ सोचेको थियौँ। सो अब चाहिँ हामीले डिसाइड गरेको छौँ क्या कुन हाउसले चाहिँ दामी गरेको थियो। तपाईँहरूले पनि हेर्नुभयो होला। सो अब चाहिँ म विनर अनाउन्स गर्नु गइरहेको छु। मैले चाहिँ एकदम फेयर हो नि ल, कोही रिसाउने पनि होइन, सबैजनाले राम्रो गरेको थियो, आफ्नो बेस्ट दिएको थियो। सो डाइरेक्ट विनर भनिदिन्छु। अन्त विनर इज एनी गेसेस? कस्तो सही भनिदिएको तिमीहरूले। सो I like to call captains of Newton House, Miss Upasna Baraili. अनुष्का इज एब्सेन्ट। अनुष्का र उपासना बराइली हुनुहुन्थ्यो। सो आजको म आज हुनुहुन्छ के अगाडि तिमीलाई पनि देख्छु हेर।
Next, I would like to call Pratinsa Chetri to deliver a poem. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Pratinsa Chetri, member of Action House. Today, I am going to say short English poem. The topic of my poem is environment. Save our environment, save our life. Plants the trees, make our environment pollution free. Save the river. Avoid any fever. Save the national by the help of the creatures. Help save our environment, that's a matter. Take a deep and save the nature. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Happy World Environment Day to everyone present out here. I am Trisha Badraj, captain of Einstein House, would like to call Aradhya Mangar to deliver a speech on Environment Day.
Good afternoon to the excellence, my respected teachers, respected instructors and captains and one and all present out here. Today, I, Aradhya Thapa, am the member of the Einstein House. Today, I am going to deliver a speech on topic environment. Environment is the surrounding in which we live. It is the sources of us. Our whole world is dependent to the environment. It directs our life and determines our proper growth and development. Good or bad quality of social life depends on the quality of natural environment. The need of human beings for food, water, and there depends on the environment around us. There is a balanced natural cycles exist between and lives of human beings, plants and animals. Human society is playing vital role in the natural environment, which in turn negativity affects the lives of plants. All the actions have brought a big chance in this planet, which results in many environmental problems. Increasing demand for technologies, industries in the modern time impacts the nature. The increasing invitations of new technology has changed the interactions of people with environment, which brings more populations to grow. The modern technologies have immense power which has attained the whole environment in an unmanaged way. The use of environment is the root of ecologies. Such continues increasing in the technologies and human behavior. Some of the environment problems are rapid growth in world populations, natural resources, forests and wetlands, erosions of soil and coral reefs. Even though science and technologies have radically altered the terms of adaptations to the natures, we still need to adapt the environment, human society in an environment. We must not forget that human being is fast and furnace and animal sharing living space with. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Good afternoon and happy environment to everyone. It's me Fasnagar Ali, captain of Newton House, and I would like to call Aradhya Chetri to deliver a poem.
Healthy earth, healthy mankind. Plant trees save the future forever. Good afternoon, my respected teachers, seniors, and my dear friends. I, Aradhya Chetri, today I am going to say a poem about the safe environment. Hope you all will like it. Earth comes to an end. Save it, my friends. Pollution is going on in every city, village, and town. Stop this ghost of pollution.
pollution, there are many solutions. Do not pollute water and air. Don't throw garbage here and there. You can do something now or never. Let's save our earth forever. Thank you. Have a great day.
And now I would like to call Yojana Chhetri to deliver a speech.
Good morning everyone. Good afternoon everyone. I am Yojana Chhetri, member of Newton House, going to deliver a speech on World Environment Day. Firstly, World Environment Day is an occasion that is celebrated in every 5th June, especially of saving trees or conservation of natural resources. That is not important that we have to plant trees on that day only. Daily we have to plant a sapling. All the resources of nature, from forest to ocean and soil to air, we must conserve. To sum it up, always remember that the gifts and blessings which nature endows us are priceless. It is rather essential to conserve them all for a better future and life for all. Secondly, Environment Day is a perfect opportunity to make people aware of the issues we are facing and how one can contribute to saving it. Thus, it is quite important in the own way. And at last, I want to say that we have to preserve our trees because they are our future. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
At last, I would like to call Upeksha Chhetri to deliver a second speech on environment.
A very sunny afternoon to all my teachers, captains, doctors and all my dear friends present out here. I, Upeksha Chhetri, student of Greenwalk Dance and the member of Newton House, the Black House, would like to describe or give a wonderful speech on the World Environment Day. As we all know that the World Environment Day is always celebrated on 5th June and it was first started in 1973. But why we celebrate the World Environment Day? Today I am gonna talk on this basis. So first of all, environment. What is environment? Yes, of course. Environment means the surrounding, whatever we see, the nature such as river, trees, sky, living things, and non-living things such as soil, stone, etc. But not only this, the city, village like the society, the everything comes under environment. The Environment Day is not only celebrated by planting saplings or trees, it is also celebrated by keeping our surroundings clean and encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment to save our earth. Yes, in this wonderful day, we should always plant trees because in our daily life, we never do it. In fact, we never remember it. But we always need oxygen to survive and air for the freshness. But we forget that these trees gives us all these things. If there is no trees, there is no life on earth. We are human beings. We never want to do something which benefits us, which keeps us healthy. Just want to enjoy our luxurious life. But forget that food keeps us alive, oxygen keeps us alive, which we get from trees. Trees are very important for us, for every living creatures. If we don't plant trees every day, it's okay, no problem. We are human beings. We make mistakes. But the day, the World Environment Day, which we get to spend our time with the environment, should always make use of it. So let's plant trees together as much as we can. Because as many as we could plant trees, it is useful for us, for all the living creatures, which also prevent the climate problems and we can save our earth. This is my humble request to everyone. Here I end my wonderful speech, and if any mistakes, please forgive me. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.